I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to our series for IBHL students. We'll begin with a very simple question here, which is based on inequalities. We'll write the inequality where x is greater than equal to minus 3 and less than 7, less than equal to 7, as an absolute value inequality. Now, this question has slight challenges since on left side and right side, the numbers which you see are kind of different in a way. Normally, you will see minus 3 plus 3, minus 7 plus 7. Here, we have minus 3 and 7. How do you do such questions? Let me first represent this on a number line so that we have a better understanding. So let's say this is our number line, 0 being right there in the center, and we have minus 3 on the left side, 7 on the right hand side of 0. We need to basically find absolute value inequality for this solution, which is also given in interval notation. That's your question. Perfect. Well, in case you want to join my classes, we are going to have some during this summer. Get ready for your September session. Normally, the students who join these classes do excellent during the semester. Great. Now, the strategy to solve such a problem is basically to find the midpoint. So, that is the first step. So, first step is midpoint of minus 3 and 7. So, how do you find the midpoint? Midpoint is add them, divide by 2. So, we'll just add minus 3 and 7, divide by 2 to get the midpoint. So, that gives you 4 by 2 or 2. So, that is the first step. So, we found the midpoint. Let's say this is midpoint 2. How does that help? Well, if you recall, absolute value always is symmetric about a vertex, so we can assume that right at the midpoint is the vertex. Now, from there, what are the two extremes indicating? Well, you can see that 7 is 5 units away, right? And minus 3 is also 5 units away from 2. So that is what it means midpoint. And now it becomes very simple to write down the absolute value inequality, right? So think like this. The absolute value function has shifted 2 units to the right. And what we want is an interval within 5 units. You get the whole idea. So that gives you the function. So we found how far, right? How far are the limits? And we found it as 5 units, correct? And that gives you the absolute value function, which I'm going to write as absolute value of x. Since we moved 2 units to the right, x minus 2 should be less than equal to within, that means 5 units. Makes sense? So that is how we get our function. So absolute value function x minus 2 less than equal to 5. I hope that makes sense. Our book, Inspired by Math, will be in the market on 26th of August. Send an email for a sneak peek. Thank you and all the best.
Inspired by Math is for curious minds, creative thinkers, and junior mathematicians ready to explore the world with numbers. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a passionate educator, this journey is for you.